How can sales funnel make you money? Hi Tommy here. That is what I'm going to explain now. A sales funnel is kind of a system that online marketers use to build a list and make money from that list. And a well set up funnel will turn as many leads as possible into paying customers, of course, but having a sales funnel doesn't mean that you get potential leads, prospect, visitors as possible. And if your capture page, opt-in page is really good and convert many visitors to leads, then you can turn these leads into buying customers along the way, because the funnel is set up so that it's several steps, and all the steps, of course, is set up to make the sale for you. And what you need to have that will help you a lot to get more opt-ins, more subscribers, is to offer a free giveaway, and make sure that the free giveaway is really something that your leads want to have, because and interest them, because then they are more willing to put in this kind of a feel and click the button to subscribe. This is a sales funnels are set up with OptimizePress, and what you need to do to get the most out of your sales funnel is you should A/B test your page. That means that you set up another page of the one you already have created, but that one looks a bit different. Maybe the wording are different, maybe the colors of the text, maybe the button text is different, and then you see which one you get best results from, and that then you know what page you should focus on. So, but now I thought I should show you how you can set up sales funnel easily and quick with OptimizePress. Back off it, and then we go to funnels. Go to OptimizePress. Or we go to funnel, and then we have funnel dashboard, but we're gonna click on create new funnel. You can create a funnel from scratch, but if you're a beginner, I suggest several themes to choose from that you can change in any way you want. And when you want to check one out, you can click on this eye sign to preview it. And if you have decided for a page to use a opt-in page, you just click on select. And here you can choose a niche branding for your site, which color, and then you give your funnel a name and a description. How to set up a funnel, just an example here to show you. And then you simply click here, create your new funnel. So here is where you will see the statistics of your funnel. Here you have a landing page and thank you page. You can choose to create a funnel with more steps and so on, but to edit your hover over there and click on edit, and then here you can choose split test when you want to create another page to do A and B testing, and you can copy the funnel page link when you want to promote it or redirect the domain to it by clicking there, and choose then to edit in Optimize Builder. So here we are in edit mode, and you can change anything. Text like the headline here, and just mark it and you will see a menu coming up. That I marked her first name, Jane, and then you can enter, you can change the text in different ways. You can add links and so on, and text color and so on and so forth. I did another tutorial on how to add a autorespond, in that case Aweber, to OptimizePress. I will leave it as a thumbnail at the end of this video. So yeah, it's saved now. It's auto save. Do you want to create a funnel similar to this one? OptimizePress, then click the link below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.